Photopea How to Make Chrome Text. Quick disclaimer. You need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the Photopea website in your browser to begin creating a text effect. Right-click on the browser shortcut and open it. Wait for the browser to launch properly before continuing. Hover your cursor over the search bar or address bar and click inside it. Type Photopea into the search field. Press Enter on your keyboard to start the search process. Select 𝗟𝗚𝗞𝗘 from the top options. Click the result to open the website. Once the site loads, you will be redirected to the Photopea homepage. On the homepage, select New Project. Choose one of the available canvas templates or customize your own canvas size according to your needs. Click the Create button to start editing. When the project opens, the Photopea editing page will appear. Next, use the text tool from the toolbar to type your text. Before typing, set the font, size, and color. To get the silver color, open the color box. Enter the color code #BBC2CC and click OK. Type the text that you want to convert into a Chrome style effect. Resize and reposition the text so it sits in the center of the canvas. Right-click the text layer and open blending options. Activate the bevel and emboss feature. Use these settings: depth 600%, size 20 pixels, soften 2 pixels, and angle 120 degrees. Also change the contour model to 2 hills. Next, activate the contour feature located below bevel and emboss. Set the contour model to Gaussian. Increase the range value to 50%. If needed, add an outer glow effect to create a more natural appearance. Click OK to save your changes. Duplicate the text layer by pressing Ctrl+J. Convert the duplicated layer into a smart object. Go to the Filter menu options. Locate the Gaussian blur filter inside the blur menu. Lower the blur value to 5. Finally, change the text layer blending mode to vivid light. You have now learned how to make a Chrome text effect in Photopea.